I must inform you, very sad but very sacred. This is my very close personally, and I respect him very much. He respects me very, very much. But I respect him really very much. Then he's the one who asked me to teach in Delhi first time. I don't know how old I am that time, 20-something, 23, 24, 25, I don't remember. And that is Lama Zopa Rinpoche, passed away this morning. And he have done so much. And he is a great, great yogi, great, great master. So we sincerely offer all of our sacred prayers to him, and dedicate all of our positiveness, our well-being, our merit, our wisdom for him, to him. A big miss for everybody, and for me personally. Jamba Bhave Chedara Chebata Kendo